Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to treat wide range of health problems, including weight loss. Apple cider vinegar can help you lose weight by reducing your appetite, increasing your metabolism and controlling your blood sugar levels. So let's get started. Before we dive into how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss, it's essential to understand what apple cider vinegar is and how it works. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting apples with yeast and bacteria. During the fermentation process, the natural sugars in the apples are broken down into alcohol, which is then converted into acetic acid. Acetic acid is the active ingredient in apple cider vinegar that provides its health benefits, including weight loss. One of the most popular ways to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss is to drink it. To make an apple cider vinegar drink, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. You can also add honey or lemon juice to improve the taste. Drink this mixture before meals to reduce your appetite and help you eat less. Another way to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss is to use it as a salad dressing. Apple cider vinegar can replace high-calorie dressings like ranch or Caesar dressing. To make an apple cider vinegar salad dressing, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts olive oil. Add some herbs and spices like garlic or oregano for extra flavor. If you want to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss, it's essential to incorporate it into your diet. You can add apple cider vinegar to your favorite recipes, including soups, stews, and marinades. It's also essential to choose high-quality apple cider vinegar that contains the mother, which is a natural substance that provides additional health benefits. While apple cider vinegar is generally safe to use, it can cause side effects in some people. Some people may experience digestive issues like nausea, diarrhea, or stomach cramps. It's also important to note that apple cider vinegar can interact with certain medications. So it's essential to talk to your doctor before using apple cider vinegar for weight loss. That's it for today's video on how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. Remember to use high quality apple cider vinegar, incorporate into your diet, and talk to your doctor if you experience any side effects. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.